Union Home Minister Amit Shah is visiting a Gurdwara that was hit by Pakistan shelling. Home Minister Amit Shah is in Poonch at that Gurdwara and a temple. This Gurdwara that was rebuilt after Pakistan shelling. Home Minister Amit Shah visiting that Gurdwara and that temple, as he not just condemned the Pahalgam attack in his address a short while ago, but he also called out Pakistan for harming innocent civilians, for taking their lives, for attacking and targeting religious places. He has also assured the families of the victims in Poonch, saying that the centre stands by them like a rock. Come what may, every sort of help will be extended to them. Development will not stop. In Poonch were the strong words that came in from Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who at the moment is visiting a Gurudwara that was hit by Pak shelling. Poonch, that was most highly targeted by Pakistan between the 7th and the 10th of May, where Pakistan particularly targeted innocent civilians and religious places, including a Gurudwara, including a temple. Home Minister Amit Shah is visiting that Gurdwara that has now been rebuilt. He has also reviewed the security situation across Jammu and Kashmir. And there you see, we've divided our screens into 3 sets of pictures of how the Gurudwara was hit during Pak shelling, of Home Minister Amit Shah, who is at that Gurdwara that has been rebuilt. And most importantly, the strong message that he's put out to the people in Poonch: development will not stop. The centre stands by the people of Poonch like a rock. They will go to every possible extent to help them. I want to go back to Sunil G. Bhatt, who continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Sunil G. Bhatt, you were interacting with the families of some of those victims. Union Home Minister Amit Shah apologized in that address. He's saying that while those lives cannot be brought back, but the centre stands by them like a rock. And now he's also issued those appointment letters where jobs are being doled out to the families of those victims.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah reached out to the people of Poonch, particularly the families who have lost their loved ones in Pakistani shelling. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the entire nation stands like a rock with the people of Poonch, and he also assured them all kind of help even in future. Union Home Minister Amit Shah made an important announcement. He said that that after Modi government came to power, a large number of bunkers were built in border districts of Jammu and Kashmir. He said that more bunkers will be built in near future so that people can save their lives whenever Pakistan resorts to shelling in the border areas. Union Home Minister Amit Shah handed over government job appointment letters to the members of the families of victims. He said that that government was committed to the welfare of the people of Poonch. He also saluted the great determination of the people of Poonch because they faced the brunt of Pakistani shelling. During Operation Sindoor, Indian Armed Forces decimated and destroyed the terror camps, terror headquarters, not only in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, but even deep inside Pakistan, in Pakistan's Punjab province. Union Home Minister said that while India targeted the terror camps in Pakistan, Pakistan resorted to cowardly behavior. Pakistan targeted innocent people of Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan targeted non-combatants, and it was only after that that Indian Armed Forces targeted the air bases of Pakistan, and a strong and befitting reply was given to Pakistan, and later Pakistan was begging for ceasefire. He said that in case Pakistan resorts to misadventure in future, a befitting reply will be given, a strong reply will be given, and Union Home Minister said that terror and talks can't go together. Terror and trade can't go together. He also said that water and blood cannot flow together. So a very strong message from District Poonch has been sent out to Pakistan by Union Home Minister Amit Shah.
In fact, those are very, very symbolic pictures on our screen, Sunil Ji Bhatt, because Union Home Minister Amit Shah is at that Gurudwara that was hit during Pak shelling, and not only did he criticized the Pahalgam attack, but he also went on to add how Pakistan targeted innocent civilians. They targeted religious places, Gurudwara, temple, that were all targeted. And fact is that in no time this Gurudwara has been rebuilt, and it is there for all the worshippers to be there. Union Home Minister Amit Shah sending out a message that development will not stop. This even as we understand that Pakistan is on its knees, it's begging for talks with India, and they will take a long time to resurrect what they have lost.
Pakistan targeted civilian areas in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir, and Pakistan even targeted religious places, be it a gurdwara or a temple or a mosque. Pakistan resorted to barbarity. Pakistan indulged in barbarism. Innocent people were targeted, religious places were targeted, and people of Poonch have shown great resilience, and within days Poonch has limped back to normalcy. And people of Poonch are saying that they are ready to make any kind of sacrifices for the nation. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reached out to the people of Poonch. A short while ago, he visited the ancient Gurdwara here. He also visited the temple that were damaged due to Pakistani shelling. So Union Home Minister Amit Shah is making an important visit to Jammu and Kashmir. This is his first visit after Operation Sindoor. Remember, during Operation Sindoor, India decimated and destroyed terror camps and terror headquarters, not only in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, but even deep inside Pakistan, in Pakistan's Punjab province, be it Murid Ke or Bahawalpur. Pakistan's terror headquarters have been decimated, and Pakistan indulged in barbarism. Pakistan targeted innocent people of Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan targeted non-combatants. And now Union Home Minister Amit Shah is in Poonch. He has reached out to the people of
Right.
Poonch and assured them that entire nation stands with them shoulder to shoulder, and Home Minister assured them all kind of help.